it off. You'll see my phone.
Do what?
Fucking grasshopper today because you ran him over. Shit.
They went and died and such. Stop, man. I think I seen something.
So what are we gonna try to do, man? Chancy boy.
We're gonna tear shit apart.
Okay.
Oh, we haven't even worked out what the fuck we're actually fucking doing this for yet. So,
why are we doing this exactly?
Get under here, buddy.
You're so crazy.
Bruh, that is not bad.
Dude, get the fuck out on top of it.
What, that is pretty bad.
Yeah, I was about to say, dude, you better think that motherfucker. Oh.
Fuck.
Oh my god, that's the whole thread. Yeah, I had similar problems on my subframe with like threads going up, and this is really bad. This isn't even like the subframe. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Bro. Let me get more lighting up in here.
How the fuck we're gonna do this? I don't know. Especially right here.
That's
What is that?
What's up? I think you possibly got some time. Lord. That's crazy. Like, this should be like...
Look at that.
Like, oh my god, dude. That is crazy.
You guys are awesome. Thank you guys.
Good times, right?
Did you get it? This is gonna
Wait
be
for it to go on.
Huh?
Buy a cheap ass plasma though, you can make this shit yourself. What the hell is this? I think I remember
That's
him
how
doing
fucked this
something.
one is.
Flip it over again.
Oh no, that one goes back here.
Oh, that goes back here.
Yeah, no. This one goes on that side, I believe.
Oh shit, I might have a tear in it.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I was saying, like, what is this?
yeah, it does. You see on the sides.
Did somebody weld that? That's what I was wondering. I was like, what are these? I think somebody welded that. That's so sketch.
You see that? Who's that?
Perfectly fine. Destroyed. Yeah.
But
Yeah, that fits better.
Perfect.
This shit had a fucking bend here because I don't know how to fucking...
Heck yeah.
Get another... Looks like they've beat it already. Well, it is not going well for Chance. The stick welder is not too happy with what we're trying to do here, apparently. Chance. I saw it. I saw it. Just gotta put in this daggum gas tank and then that rear end can hop on back in there, T-Hut. These dudes putting in that work. Alright, after going through hell and back, these guys got it finished.
They did it. Things all put back together, wheels are on, it's off the ground. Hell yeah. I didn't even realize this guy was right here. Guess he likes a Z too. Aha. Wait. I saw. Dude. Finished off the vlog. Got everything done that we needed to get done on Chance's car. Now it's time to have some shenanigans. Belt squeak. One more. Make it 3.